Behind every powerful learning experience is a clear, meaningful learning objective. Objectives aren't just checkboxes. They're the spark that guides transformation. For adult learners, vague goals like understand this or learn that don't cut it. They want clarity, purpose, and relevance. They want to know, what will I be able to do? Why does it matter? How will it help me in the real world? That's why strong learning objectives are essential. They shape content, focus assessment, and set expectations. They help learners see the destination, and educators map the journey. So what makes a great learning objective? First, it's actionable. It focuses on what the learner will do, not just what they'll know. Use strong verbs: analyze, design, apply, evaluate, solve, create. Second, it's specific. Avoid vague terms like understand or appreciate. Instead, describe the actual skill or behavior the learner will demonstrate. Third, it's measurable. You should be able to see, hear, or evaluate whether the learner met the objective. If you can't measure it, you can't teach it. Fourth, it's relevant. Adult learners need to see why it matters. Tie the objective to real-world tasks, challenges, or goals. If the learner can say, "I'll use this at work," or "this helps me solve a problem," you're on the right track. Here's an example. Instead of saying, "Learn about communication," try, "Apply active listening techniques in a team discussion to resolve conflict." The second version is actionable, measurable, and relevant. And it tells the learner exactly what success looks like. When writing objectives, many educators use Bloom's taxonomy as a guide. It offers tiers of cognitive skills, from remembering to creating. The higher the level, the deeper the learning. And for adults, deep learning is what creates real change. Objectives also shape how we assess learning. If the objective is to critique a marketing strategy, your assessment shouldn't be a multiple-choice quiz. It should be a hands-on analysis. Strong objectives align learning, instruction, and evaluation. They give educators focus and learners confidence. And most importantly, they move learning from abstract to actionable, from passive to purposeful, from information to transformation. So, the next time you design a course or lead a session, ask, what should they be able to do? How will I know they've done it? And how can I make it matter? Because when you write great learning objectives, you don't just plan a lesson. You design change.